succeeding for H2K. They need to stop the slide. 1 and 5 in the last 3 weeks.
Full hog wild onto Godfrey, on to Whirlin, looking out for Audrey Ryu. Spirit rushes his way over. This guy is unstoppable.
Virus. Nice. Toll 3, Toll 2. Run. Rek'Sai. Toll Scorpion. Go. Rumble. Nice.
In comes Freeze, in comes Lenny, in comes Kaz, but they're just gonna serve themselves up on a plate. And Elements come up with the win.
You have to go deeper. You have to start at the fucking dust jokes. That is legitimately not funny anymore. But then again, it is actually pretty funny.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Remove the gangplank.
I can't do that. Please do it. See ya, nerds.
Whoa.
Bang, boys.
In comes the big Gnar, Nox Fardex gets us done into the shock blast. They take him down. Freddy is eating the lasers. It's like a bad monster movie. SK Gaming with the win.
Gonna put down the heel, looking for a follow-up. Got the tower. Pick it. Will he get the double? The minions.
One shot solo queue. Lucian is back.
Reckless has got a kill. A 3-man stun from the key strike. That's a huge team fight for Fnatic. Fnatic remain undefeated at 15-0.